Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to do text-to-speech on TikTok.
Hey, welcome back.
This is another example.
TikTok is getting very popular nowadays, and now there are a lot of creators who can express their creativity through text-to-speech. Text-to-speech is a feature which reads text aloud, saving the creator from speaking anything. So let me show you how to do this. First of all, make sure your TikTok is updated to the latest version. You can go into the App Store or Play Store and update your TikTok app from there. Now, once it's been updated, go ahead and open the app. Now, to use the text-to-speech option, you'll need to create a video. So go ahead and tap on the plus sign. Record a video or upload a video from your photo library. After that, you'll be brought into this video editing screen of TikTok. Here, use the text tool to add your text to the screen. Type in your text. Once you have typed in the text, just above the color palettes, tap on the text-to-speech option. A voice will start to speak and read the text which you have just typed. Press done to complete the text editing. Now you can move this text wherever you like, or you can make it small or big. You can change the voice of the text to speech by tapping on it and selecting Change Voice. Depending on where you live, you'll have a wide range of choices. Some of these are Disney characters like Chewbacca, Scream, Groot, Stitch, and Rocket. You even have a selection of normal human voices. Preview it, and once you're happy, go ahead and press done at the top right. You can also change the duration of how long you want the text-to-speech to remain on screen. This can be done by tapping on the text and choosing Set Duration. At the bottom here, you'll see the voice wavelength showing you how long the text-to-speech voice is. According to that, you can set it to the amount of time so it disappears after the text-to-speech has finished speaking. And that is how to do text-to-speech on TikTok videos. Hope you found this useful. If you did, please like this video and let me know in the comment section down below if it worked for you. Please consider subscribing to this channel as I post tutorials on a daily basis on popular social media apps. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.